need that sorted so I feel better. This is what we're dealing with. Oh my god, I'm going a little bit crazy. I've never done this before. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it makes me so sad. I'm an emotional wreck at the moment. This is what happened.
I'm Charlie and this is my husband Tom, aka Pocket and Dundee. After 5 years of adventures around the world, I finally emigrated to Australia in early 2020. We got married and then, like many people, found ourselves having to change our whole lifestyle, so we're now adapting the best we can. We started a new business, moved to the Australian South Coast, and just to up the stakes even more, we're now expecting our first child. Make sure you're subscribed to follow us on this crazy adventure.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. My eyebrows a little bit wonky. I'm not very good at doing eyebrow makeup. Anyway, today is a bit of a getting things sorted day. This morning I've got to work on a campaign. Tom at the moment is building the shelves, the chest of drawers, unit, so that we can finally start organising all the baby clothes, because that's a little bit chaotic really. Oh, we got a new freezer. I say new, it's second hand. We need to clean the front of it. It's got some mess on the front, but we got a new freezer so that we can start meal prepping for when the baby comes. Trying to get organised, you know. Also have to post off a load of oyster shuckers today. Got to post off an order today. So I've got to get those wrapped up and get that sorted. Yeah, lots of stuff to do. Lots of editing, lots of organisation. So it's all going to be all over the place today. Why am I out of focus? My brother's going to kill me because this camera does keep going out of focus. And I don't like looking at the screen. I like looking at you guys at the lens. Because if I'm just looking at myself on the screen the whole time, it's really annoying when people do that. I hate that. So I'm trying to get in a bit more of the habit of just double checking that I am in focus. So, Tom is about to put this chest of drawers together. It's going to go in that corner eventually, I'm guessing, but Okay, switch to time lapse. Stage 1 done! Yay! We just need to put shelves in. Shelves? Is that what they're called? Drawers. Drawers. Not shelves. I'm so excited to get this done so I can actually start sorting out all the baby clothes, because they're all over the place. I don't know what I've got, don't know what's going on. I just need that sorted so I feel better. Also, you guys might be wondering why the hell we've bought a new one when pretty much everything else in the nursery is second-hand or upcycled. The reason is I have been looking on Facebook Marketplace and all the second-hand places, and we've been going to all the op shops, and we just could not find a decent chest of drawers at all, anywhere. When I say decent, as in not broken or the right size, or just really gross, you know. It's going pretty well in here, isn't it, Tommy Roo? Mm-hmm. Ooh, yay, we've got 2 drawers in so far. I am time-lapsing it. I've time-lapsed it from here, and I've been time-lapsing it on this camera, obviously, as well. Except Tom said it's going to be the most boring time-lapse ever. I beg to differ. I reckon it might be fun. Bought this new kind of jumper dress, maternity jumper dress, but I'm looking a little bit Morticia Adams, I think. Whew, 29 weeks. We're getting there. I bought it off the internet and, you know, it's a little bit big. Definitely looking a bit Morticia Adams, but I don't really care. It's comfy. Baby had hiccups and I was trying to get it on camera, but she never performed. Come on, baby. It's really hard, even when I try and get Tom to like feel, like she'll do loads of kicking and then suddenly as soon as his hand goes on my tummy, she just stops. Nope. She stopped. I'm taking a little break from working on the Thailand campaign because the post arrived. My friend Isla in the UK has sent me some maternity clothes. Oh, this is so cute. This cute little dress. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. She sent so much stuff. There's so many tops. They're like nursing tops and oh my goodness, there's just so much stuff here. This is so brilliant. Thank you so much, Isla. This is so cool. She sent so much stuff. Oh, there's a little nursing nightie. Oh my goodness. This is so unbelievably amazing and so helpful. Oh, and she's also, there's a gift and some letters and cards, I mean. Oh, she sent the little, like, arrival note of her second son. Oh, it makes me so sad. I'm so far away from my friends. Thank you, Isla. I love you lots and I miss you. I should really wait for Tom. Oh. But I'm not gonna. Oh my goodness, they're sensory muslins. Oh, that's so cute. She's got some like muslins, like swaddles, but they're sensory ones because when babies are really young, they actually, oh my god, they only see in black and white and high contrast. So like when they're really little, so you have to have a lot of things in black and white. It helps with their like focusing and things. Oh my goodness, I'm a complete wreck. Oh, they're so lovely. I don't know what's happening with my hair. I just kind of chucked it up, but I'm an emotional wreck at the moment. This is what happens. I mean, it's actually got nothing to do with being pregnant. I just miss my friends and they're so far away. Oh, anyhow, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock, so got another 3 hours of work to do before Tom gets home, and then I'm probably gonna start organising a bit more of the nursery area, getting all the clothes sorted, etc. And sort my face up and breathe. Oh my god, I'm going a little bit crazy. I'm kind of editing 2 different projects at the same time because I'm doing the campaign, but I'm also putting the big massive film together. I haven't looked at this footage for so long, so I'm having to just go over it, and I've got 2 cameras. We were shooting on my camera and Gemma's camera, and oh my word, it's just, there's a lot going on and I'm feeling a bit frazzled. I think it's time to take a break. Oh, actually it's 5 o'clock. I've got about an hour until Tom comes back. Maybe I'll just wait a little bit. No, what I'm gonna do is just stop for a little bit because I'm just like, and get on with another task. That's always a secret. When you get distracted or frustrated, just change tasks. There's always so many things to do. So I'm just gonna do something different. And I think it's about time to start going through all the clothes. I need to organise them into sizes and whether they're winter or summer. Oh look, you can see in the background there. I might have made a purchase. I might have bought the Finding Nemo playmat. I'm going to show you all the bits and bobs that we've got at some point, but you know, once the nursery is fully functioning, up and running, I'm gonna show you all the bits and bobs. Anyway, let's get on with organising these clothes. This is what we're dealing with. As you can see, it's a fair mess of, I don't really know what's going on. Most of this was bought second hand or third hand or fourth hand from Facebook Marketplace. There's a couple of new items, some baby towels, they're obviously new, and then we've obviously been given a few things. So far all I've really bought is just a very few items that we got when we first found out that we were gonna have a baby, like that one, and then this little Winnie the Pooh. I basically had to. I could not resist. And this little cute outfit here with a little kangaroo. Oh my goodness. Couldn't resist again. I am basically just going to go through and try and sort all of this out. I will show you a few little bits that people have given us that are like special. But apart from that, I don't even know how I'm going to do this. Oh my god. I think I'm just going to have to print out some labels and put them into sizes, and then whether they're winter or summer, I don't really know. I've never done this before. I don't know what I'm doing. This is slightly overwhelming. This is a lot of stuff to sort out. It's insane what you can get on Facebook these days. Honestly, we got massive bags of clothes that are pretty much unused, because I think everyone does the same thing. I think everyone does exactly what I've done, which is go, lots of baby clothes. And you just don't need them. Anyway, it's not like we paid a fortune for them. I think we got an entire massive shopping bag full of clothes for like 15 bucks. Right, so I've got those. Let's print that. Sorted. Wasn't too hard, pretty sorted. So basically got them all in sizes, newborn, 0 to 3 months, and then I haven't obviously got much of the other stuff yet, but I think we're getting there. We've got a load of swaddles and everything. Then this box here is a very special box that Auntie Trish got us, and oh my goodness, there's some absolute adorable clothes in here. I'm not going to go through them all right now, but oh my goodness, it's Peter Rabbit. How cute is this little onesie? Oh, it's just honestly the cutest thing. Goodness, this entire box of clothes is just so cute. Look at these. Oh my goodness, look at this little hat. Nice little, oh, the cutest things. There's just so much as well. She got us so many clothes, so many little outfits. Again, I think most of this was from second-hand shops, little vintage shops that she found. But oh my goodness, the most adorable outfits. Oh, this one is great. This one is so cute. She's gonna be a little pirate in her stripes. I just love it. This entire box of clothes, I can't believe she got us so many clothes. And also on that note, one of Tom's sisters, Katie, and her fiance Daniel bought us this gift, and oh my god, it can't. It's just so cute. One very tired wombat. I read that last night and I was like, oh, it's so cute. But look at this little onesie with all the little Australian animals on it. Oh my goodness. It's just adorable. So cute. Oh my goodness, what amazing gift. So thank you, Katie and Daniel, that's amazing. We're just so lucky. We've been given so many things. Yeah, so I'm gonna organize all of that and then we'll see what we can do about getting this somewhere. If I'm honest, I think I'm probably going to leave it at that today because I've got a bit more editing to do, and Tom will be back very soon. In fact, he should be back soon. I think we're having spaghetti bolognese for dinner. I just wanted something simple and easy because we're just really busy at the moment. Yeah. How you doing, Roo?
Good.
You're doing good. Got all the stuff for dinner, hey? We've got the mince, we've got the mushrooms and a capsicum. I feel like these have somehow snuck in. I mean, it's not a Port Elliot bakery donut, but they are quite delicious. Tommy Roo, did these sneak in?
Maybe.
The donuts.
I might have made a little detour.
Detour, impulse buy. How was work?
Good. Very productive.
Yeah?
Go looking.
Oh, I see. But entire box full of shuckers. Nice work, Tommy Roo. They look really pretty. I like the new finish on them. It looks really good, doesn't it?
It's different, isn't
It does look different. Oh my goodness, linguine is my favourite. Let's push this down. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. I think Tom's just got some silver beet from the veggie garden. That's one way of cleaning it. When I did my gestational diabetes test and they did all my bloods, it came back with low iron. So I'm trying to have as many leafy green vegetables as possible. I'm obviously also taking iron tablets, but having lots of veg helps as well. It's not traditional, obviously, to put silver beet in spaghetti bolognese, but who cares?
Good way to hide it from the kids.
Exactly. Something we've got to get used to, eh?
Oh, bring them up properly. They weren't mind eating veggies, Charlie.
That is very true. I think it needs a bit more tomato. Oh, I just love pasta.
You sure do, Charlie. That is definitely the truth.
Will you put mine on the side? You know the deal.
I know the deal, Charlie.
I don't know why, I'm fussy. I like, yeah. That's baldy, thank you.
Is that it?
Yeah, I can always get some more if I need. Thank you.
Gotta feed ya.
It's not complete without a bit of cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. It has been a really productive day. We have both achieved lots, got so much done. I'm feeling really happy. We're gonna just eat our spag bol. Yum. And we're gonna watch some hypnobirthing. I had no idea what hypnobirthing was either. We will do a video on this very soon. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Please hit the like button if you liked this video. It really helps me out. Totally free to do, so why not? And we will see you on Friday.
Bye.